Early Sunday morning, a storage tank filled with an ingredient for campfire fuel sprung a leak, and that tank burst into flames. Unhappily, that fire was not alone. It took place at a chemical storage facility belonging to the Intercontinental Terminals Company in Deer Park, Texas, which is about 20 miles east of Houston. When that first tank went up in flames, the fire spread to other nearby tanks full of chemicals, tanks filled with chemicals that make gasoline, also nail polish remover and glue and paint thinner. It was Sunday morning this all started. It's still burning tonight. Firefighters said today they have no timetable for how long it will take to contain this inferno. They say they have to wait for all of the chemicals in all these tanks that are on fire to burn off before they can control it at all. The fire marshal said today it's anybody's guess when that will be. Meanwhile, as Deer Park, Texas waits for those chemicals to burn themselves out, this was the view over Deer Park, Texas today. A big black chemical smoke plume that sprouted out of that fire and that spread across that entire city and then started stretching for miles, way beyond where the fire first started. I mentioned Deer Park's about 20 miles east of Houston. The smoke cloud billowing out of that petrochemical fire has now stretched all the way across Houston and even toward the Austin area. Despite how massive this thing is, and despite the fact that it is made up of burning chemicals, officials are insisting there's nothing in that smoke that is toxic. Officials say the air quality is safe so long as the cloud remains high enough above land. But as that plume continues doing this, continues to creep across Texas, and with the chemicals still burning tonight, you cannot blame people for how they are feeling about this right now.